we're going to go in with some olive oil and a brush. We're going to brush them. A nice gentle brush. Okay, we're going to turn around to the other side, do the same thing. It's like a binder to help our seasoning, the simple baked fish. Seasonings like if we were to make a rub, and then we're going to put it on our fish. Use pink Himalayan salt, a little sprinkle of lemon pepper I'm going to add to it, just a little. Well, that's all I got left, I bet. Paprika, a little bit of lemon pepper, just a little bit. It's spicy. I would have added some red pepper flakes, but the good piece of fish is going to get some seasoning. My seasoning on my fish, I'm just going to go in and all that olive oil is going to absorb that into the fish. So I can get me some fresh parsley off my pork. Actually good to go. Salted butter around my pan so when it bakes, the butter is